Hi everyone, my name is Greg Beatty and I'm talking to you about Choice Renovations Corp, the home repair company that helps people fix problems with their home, specializing in manufactured homes and regular homes. Today we're looking at the website here and you can see their beautiful website right here at choicerenovationscorp.com. Or you can call them at any time at 386-267-4982. As I scroll down the site, you can see all the things they do. Handyman services, bathroom renovation, kitchen remodeling, painting services, carpentry services, flooring replacement. They are licensed contractors, as you can see down here at the bottom. And you see the list of services they offer. And at the bottom, you can see their licensed contracting numbers. You can look them up to see how their standing is with the state of Florida. And they're not just any licensed contractor. They're a certified building contractor and a certified roofing contractor. Serving Volusia County, parts of Flagler County, including Edgewater, DeLand, Deltona, Daytona, Ormond Beach, Port Orange, Holly Hill, New Smyrna Beach, some parts of Sanford. Again, give them a call, 386-267-4902. Looking forward to hearing from you. We have a team ready to fix your home.